Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. I just want to make a quick video to show you something really quick. So take notice of this price right here. It's at $13.02. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this up, this right here, this right here is why 90% of people lose money in the stock market. They see that this stock gapped up. And the reason why it gapped up was because, news had took place that, some company, I think the company that owns Panera Bread was buying them out. So it was supposed to be, or is going to be, a cash buyout per share at $12.75. So, meaning that whenever this gets bought out, and they predicted this within the first few weeks of the fourth quarter, so really not too far away from right now. So with them saying this, that they're gonna pay $12.75 per share, that's all that this is gonna be valued at. It's $12.75. And if this stock goes up to $15, whatever, if anybody is holding on to this when it gets bought out, guess what? You're only getting paid $12.75 per share. And that's your loss. This comes down to knowing what you're trading. And, people see this, movement and think, this is going to run or whatever, this is something great, and they don't have a clue as to why it's even up here. This stock is no more valuable than $12.75. This is just pure hype, and people are going to get ate up in it. And I mean, this is why people lose money. They get caught up in the hype. They get caught up in the fear of missing out. And it's crazy. So to make this even worse, they just had their earnings call. And let's see if I can get it to come up. So it was estimated minus almost 5 cents. And the actual was minus 96 cents. And it's still going up. And this is only going up off of hype. So in the end, these people are going to be crying, saying, I just don't understand why when they get caught holding on to all these shares. And they get paid out $12.75. So when you are trading, if you see something jump like this, that doesn't necessarily mean buy. I am looking at this on, my EMAs. Let me flip over to my Bollinger Bands. So yes, this is over my Bollinger Bands. And this is how I trade a lot. But I only trade when it's really moving up. When it just does something crazy like this right here, and then just gaps up like that, I have to find out why did that gap up. And just down here in the news, if you just read it, it says cash buyout $12.75 per share, and it's over $13 per share right now. This stock is not worth $13. It is only worth $12.75 at best during the buyout. And it just had its earnings to where, they lost money. So pay attention to this crap, guys. Don't get caught up in this. If you're down with losing money, knock yourself out. But this is just silliness. There's no reason to lose money right here in this trade. Absolutely not. So Anyways, I appreciate you guys taking time to watch this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And hey, I'll see you in the next one.